In today's fast-paced digital world, developing high-demand skills can open the door to incredible financial success. All you need is to be able to read and write. Learning marketable skills can put you on the fast track to creating wealth. And this platform I'm about to introduce to you is the perfect platform to get started. This platform I'm about to introduce to you offers thousands of courses taught by industry experts in fields that are in high demand and can instantly increase your value in the market. Mastering these high-demand skills open opportunities to earn six-figure income and can scale your ventures into multi-million-dollar enterprises. With this platform, you are not just learning, you are acquiring tools that can help you turn your passion into profit. By investing in the right skill with this platform, you are setting yourself up for a future of financial independence where your expertise can earn you millions. The name of the platform is Skillshare. This website is a website where anybody can visit to learn new skills, and the courses offered on these platforms are offered by industry professionals. The platform covers a wide range of topics like graphic design, photography, video editing, business, technology, personal development, writing, and more. So why Skillshare? Skillshare offers a platform for you to develop new skills that businesses around the world are willing to pay top dollar for. Although YouTube is an alternative to Skillshare for learning anything, YouTube is free, but it doesn't give the learner the opportunity to interact with the teacher. But with Skillshare, you are going to get the opportunity to interact with the teacher after every course. The teacher will give you an assignment at the end of the course and then assess the assignment and give you a feedback. For example, if the course was on video editing, the teacher is going to ask you to create a video, edit it, and then give him a feedback. So this makes Skillshare a very cool place to develop new skills. Some high demand skills include digital marketing, coding, business strategy, and content creation. These are skills that businesses around the world are willing to pay you much for. So learning how to create powerful websites, craft compelling branding, or building a successful social media presence can instantly increase your value in the market. Skills like graphic design, video editing, and animation are essential for digital marketing and entertainment industries, which are multi-billion-dollar markets. Becoming proficient in design through Skillshare can position you to charge premium rates for your work or even sell your own digital products and courses. Skillshare's courses on business strategy, entrepreneurship, and online marketing teach you how to build and scale businesses. These skills enable you to launch your own business, develop revenue streams, or consult for other companies, putting you on the path to making millions. The tech sector continues to thrive, yes, and with courses on programming languages like Python, web development, and app design, you can develop software solutions or build tech setups that scale fast and generate massive profits. Mastering these high-demand skills open opportunities to land lucrative contracts, launch online businesses, or become a sought-after consultant. Designers, marketers, and developers routinely earn six-figure incomes, and successful entrepreneurs can scale their revenue into multi-million-dollar enterprises. With Skillshare, you are not just learning, you are acquiring tools that can help you turn your passion into profit. If you are ready to learn new skills, get inspired and join this community of Skillshare. By investing in the right skills with this platform called Skillshare, You are setting yourself up for a future of financial independence where your expertise can earn you millions. I hope this video was very informative and helpful. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end of this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. See you in our next video. Bye.